My name is Vishal, and today we are discuss about what we next to do in our NoteNest project. So this is our NoteNest project. Recently, I update a little bit thing in this. In the starting, I forgot about adding forget password. So many users tell me we have only one ID and we cannot log in from there because we lost our password. So I do the forget password. If you click on this send your mail and you can reset your password. On the other hand, today's topic is how we download our web application in our Android mobile. So you can see here download app button in this which I add, and in responsive you can also see it in uh, sidebar. Okay, so if you want to download our application, you can easily click on this. So here it is currently on localhost, but after this video I deploy on it on the server. So this is the main thing which we covered in this video, and next I share my mobile screen with you and tell you how it looks and how it works in Android app.
First, open the URL in the Chrome, which I provide in my description. When you search, it see an pop-up. So if you want to, you can download it from here, or from app you can first log in. As I our navbar or sidebar, there we have to see an install button. So easily install from it here. Now on the home screen, you can see the app. So again login and your app is ready. So this is our project, and I have to message here.
Thank you. This is for this video. And if you want to give me some suggestions, you can tell me on my LinkedIn, or I give you response and I add in my project. And if you want to join our community, so you can subscribe our channel and watch previous videos so you can understand what we are doing. It is a free notes platform which you easily download from like this. Their notes are free. You can easily download from here. Okay, and on the other side we start our paid project services like in MERN stack. If you want their projects, you can easily order from this, and by this we have your order and I track it and I give you the project in 2 and 3 days. So thank you for this video and goodbye.